Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. In this session, I'm just going to discuss about our Google Sheet option scanner and about our strategy, how it is works this month on January 26th, and also intraday and inside camarilla. So have some doubts on that. They're confusing the scanners which you have created, so that I'm going to discuss here. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on scanners and screeners and even stocks and even based on the charting. So we have charting scanners and the premium group only for scanners which we have created. And this option scanner we are running almost from 2019, and that was giving you such a good scanner for finding out stocks options based on our positional strategy. It is not providing you any buy sell tips. It is looking like a scanner which filter out all the F1 stocks. From that list we can apply our hedging strategies or even a naked strategy which we are going to use a tool for that particular strategy. Okay, so here we have divided that into two major parts for based on the strategy. One is about weekly. So every week the sheet get be refreshed, and we try to find weekly based stock options, almost whatever the total futures 206 that would be available here. From this list we to find out a good liquid, and whenever it is our trigger point, that will be applicable to our positional strategy. So while we are applying that strategy, any one of the strategy, either 2.1, 3.2 or FO or SBB, any kind of the strategy as per your riskability or as per your margin you can do. But here is the tool act as a scanner. And one more important update on this particular tool. So we are going to stop this tool from this February, end of February 28. So we are not providing you, or we are not running from our end about this tool. And maybe if you are really interested on this tool, we will be providing you the full setup and you can run it from your end. And that is what the thing. And this is what a monthly positional which is developed for based on purely for a monthly. After that we added weekly, and then intraday also we added. But intraday, it is a different concept which you are using, and this purely for finding a stocks. And hope you know, so market are correcting now, so we have almost nearby 74 stocks that is put side. But even though this current market scenario, we have some call side stocks also, like metals, national aluminum, VDL. Some of the stocks were delivered, but overall using the sheet and strategy, we try to find 2 to 3 stock or 3 to 5 stocks on a totally monthly basis. So for that we need to do a lot of workouts to find those stocks and the monthly based rates. So this month overall negative side, and we have a lot of stocks, and some of the stocks which is increased more than huge. But here you can look at this ITC 10 rupees to 82, but this one not triggered gap up. But lot of stocks like Adani, these are all the recently entry triggered. But as per our positional concept last week or expiry week, we can't apply the positional strategies. And next month, so from 1st February or 2nd February onwards, I think the 1st February is the live market is there. Maybe the sheet will be updated by this weekend, and we can apply our strategies for next month also. Okay, intraday, a lot of confusion on intraday. So intraday is purely based on the camarilla R4 breakout. So that those values are here, it is mentioned is the R4 levels. It is not combined with our strategy. It is a purely for intraday logic, which we are looking for an R4 breakout. Even one of my student is finding some other methods to find very good stocks from here. Like you can apply your strategy. This is a scanners. For example, these are all the stocks which is already in the list near about 100. It means that may not be a liquid one. Okay, simply ignore that. But this sheet itself, it is refreshing after 9:30, and we will be able to find out the newer breakout which is going to happen, and the R4. Before trying for an breakout, you should consider or you should confirm that should not break on the day prior to that after 9:30. that will give you one or two trade opportunity by using the scanner. And this is also filtering all F&O list. So this is also not providing any tips and tricks, and it will be showing you this act as a scanner. And inside Camarilla, so it is about a tool which we are finding out what are the stock which forming inside levels. Same like that, we tried and we created one a scanner that will help you to find out only for Camarilla patterns. So that I have already made video 2 videos back, we made it, and we are finding out the ATM strike prices. And this is different scanner, and the Google Sheet option scanner is also different, that is working based on the positional strategies. And this is only a EOD scanner where we can find out what are the stocks which forming such a kind of the pattern which forms in this particular stocks. Okay, inside narrow or higher value, lower value. So what does mean by higher value? So the Camarilla pivot level is entirely higher than the previous day. For an example, Adani energy solution almost 810. So let me check that one. 810 put option. So we to use a Camarilla, so I'm just going to use 5 minutes. Will it just happen in higher value put? There is around 23rd. Yeah, 23rd, it means it's a tomorrow. It is forming a higher value by tomorrow. So let me randomly check other stocks. Maybe if you are able to, this may be a higher value Camarilla by tomorrow. Okay, so this Camarilla values may be here, and that is simply is about to the previous day's one. Okay, this is an inside one. Next it should be a higher value. So this kind of pattern which forms in a particular stock, we are finding out with this particular scanner tool. And the second one most important thing which you added is top 5 open interest, OI changes, and top 5 volume untraded. So this maybe next day stock, we can find it out one day prior, and we will be tracking that stock, and you can apply your strategy. If any gives you an entry point, you may be using your strategies to track on this particular stock which we filtered out. Okay, so that is for this is also be for 23rd. That means 23rd EOD that will be using for next session, that is tomorrow 27. Okay, so 24, 25, 26 already 27. These are all the list which you are yesterday's trade. So because it is a lot of data, so we are processing the data and we are finding out those stock which forming a such a pattern. Okay, so and one more live scanners also I'm just finding out, and I'm trying to get that. So what the logic is, and it's a real time, and maybe by change percentage on particular ATM option. So while finding out the ATM option, it's a very difficult one. So after finding the ATM option, in this case I'm just finding with an ATM option based on the open price. So after finding the open price change, and also we will be looking for a volume. So volume also be a key factor, and for an intraday in particularly ATM options, that is based on the open price. And we will be finding out this kind of options, and that may be good chances for making a good filter on the real time. So and also we are changing the put side, and maybe tomorrow I will be making video for this, because the data is currently not there here with me. And but if I'm running that, it may be showing you some delayed one. So let me check whether it is possible to run. So I think it is not running at this moment. Let me wait. I'll try to run this. Okay, possible I can able to run this. Yeah, that is one more scanner which I created, that is for tracking on the real time. So we try, and if it is opening, I'll show you. And meanwhile, if you are really interested to learn our positional strategy, that will be helping you to monthly positionals and as well as weekly positional and strategy based. This is not for an intraday, and it is purely for a strategy basis which we are using positionally. Okay, that will help you to find some good trade opportunities which we can use it for. Okay, so let me try whether it is opening. Yeah, it's loading now. Maybe I have to fix it. Yeah, so it is not opening at this moment because it's a real time. So we'll try to make some video tomorrow based on this particular scanner. Will help you to find some other opportunities to find in an intraday. Okay, so this is what a Google Sheet scanner, and if anyone who are interested to get a full source code may be available, so you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown here. And if you anyone who are really interested to learn the strategy, so you can just ping me, and you can also learn the strategy. There is a 2 modes recorded courses also available, and one-to-one. So we will teach you one each and every session by one, and you can even better understanding to on real time. So thank you so much. And this is updated for the next week, but we are not focusing on that last week because of an expiry. But even the sheet is get updated, so let's track for study purpose. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.